I have a surprising challenge for you. Will this balloon survive the flame or will it pop? Let's find out. I'm Swara, and today we are gonna do a very fun science experiment. So for this experiment, I have some things with me like water, 2 balloons, a funnel, a candle, and a lighter. So do you wanna see what happens if I put this balloon near the candle? Let's find out. Uh-oh, it burst. And now attach the balloon to the funnel and pour some water. Now view the balloon. And tie a knot. Now light up the candle. And now if you put it, you can see that the balloon is not even popping. See? So do you know how it happened? Water. That's the whole secret. So as you know, rubber is very thin, and when it goes near the flame, the rubber gets warm and then it pops. But if you have water inside the balloon, then the water absorbs the heat and then the rubber doesn't get warm and the balloon doesn't pop. So the flame is doing its job, but the water is winning. I hope you like this video. I meet you in my next video. Bye.